This is how you panel a sauna. When the SPU insulation boards have been installed, the paneling can begin. Before starting, make sure that the wall supports for the sauna benches have been installed, all seams and screw heads have been taped with aluminium foil tape, the lead-ins have been sealed and taped, the corners and ceiling lines have been painted black with a heat-resistant spray paint, and the protective seal has been removed 20 cm above the edge of the floor. Start by installing the ventilation strips on the ceiling. Install the ventilation strips on the walls. Start the paneling from the ceiling. Measure the width of the area that needs to be paneled and count how many panels you will need. Narrow down the first panel so that it will be the same width as the last panel. Remember to make holes for all the lead-ins. Start paneling the walls from the back wall. On the first panel, saw off the tongue. Install a maximum of 4 panels on each wall. Move on to the next wall. Remember the lead-ins. Check the additional instructions online and use the free design software.